wear it and they, oh my God, so more beautiful than even the angels. Are you here? So, however, but but in the majority, most people do it to pretend that, see me, oh, I'm beautiful. To me, it's not the makeup that makes you beautiful. That's why maybe that's why I hate fake things. When I see something that is fake, at a spot I just know. Hardly will I see something that is fake and at a spot I don't know. So where am I driving at is this: majority of the women who wear makeup, majority, they have self-esteem and low self-esteem. So they want to make you feel that I'm beautiful. Meanwhile, you're already beautiful the way you are. If you know how I love natural things, yeah. To the point that if not for fun, let's just go out and lick ice cream, but I won't even taste anything junk. Ice cream is junk, but sometimes you just go out, buy it for your children, for yourself, just junk food so once in a while. But if I have my way, which I have my way, I won't even dare it. In fact, when I'm going out there to have fun or to natural, and that's one of the things that the T-Pain Kurubu government has deprived Nigerians. Even when the country was good, people can easily find food. Now, how many people find natural things? Although I'm going somewhere else again, but it's so. But we are joy. All those who want a good government or good country, God will help you. But those who say the country, they don't care if the country closes, as long as may God deal with them according to what they want. If they want this country to be destroyed, let them be destroyed. So women who wear makeup, I see them as pretenders, people who, and even in their personal lives, when you come to meet them, not all, but and not few, I say most, get the word most. Most of the women who wear makeup have nothing upstairs. So that's just where I'm going to. When I see a woman wearing makeup, the next thing that is coming to, I would like to interact with this person to see if she has something upstairs. If you have something upstairs, I will give you a hand. But most of them don't. They have low self-esteem. So what I'm saying to say, wear the inner makeup. The inner makeup, beautify your inside, learn skills, develop yourself, study the word of the Quran. Look, all these people who kill people, who read Galatians, which Bible do they read? And they're Christians, they're Muslims, they still serve God. And I'm wondering, what did God take to read Galatians? Everything is, these guys have destroyed Nigeria, and we are watching. We must stop watching and take charge of our country and stop them. Prof Holy Rock. So, women, stop pretending, okay? Be natural like this, my angel. See her now. Isn't she beautiful? Not any makeup. Imagine this Queen Zaza now wearing a makeup upon this beauty. So, some will say she will not become too beautiful. That too beautiful is junk. As long as it is junk, leave it. I don't want, let it be natural, naturally beautiful. Okay, Princess, hey, divine makeup. That is the theme of this podcast, divine makeup. See you. I remember Professor Holy Rock. Catch you.